So yeah, this is how to make the vending machine work. So first, you would go to your decoration, and then you place down a vending machine wherever you want. Then you go to a link and use the item use trigger. So yeah, you place it down, and then this is optional. I would want to do it, because then, so the item use trigger, because then it would say you need whatever item up here. And then you do spawn item block here or wherever you want around the vending machine. And then you would go to this cog. You can edit this stuff. I have no idea what it means, but yeah. And then you can choose if it's reusable or not. I don't recommend you doing this if you're doing a vending machine like what I'm doing. So the reusable makes it possible that you still have the item after you use it, which don't really think is good. And then, so you'd go to this cog, you go to like the link here, then you'd like make the item thing you want to use like in a blue outline. You press select and confirm, so then it's selected if it has a white line like that. And then here you do what item you'd want to get. Like I want it to get a wrench. So yes, so you use a for mine you use a blowtorch here for the vending machine. Then you'll get a wrench here. That's my one. You can choose whatever you guys want to do.